Hi everyone. Today I have successfully completed task 4, which is exploratory data analysis and global terrorism under the domain data science and business analytics under the Sparks Foundation. Objective of the analysis: to analyze the terrorist attacks across the globe that were happened between 1970 to 2017. Imported the necessary Python libraries, loaded the CSV file which contain all the data of terrorist attacks in the world, checking the head of the data frame, statistical summary of the data frame, concept summary of the data frame, modifying the data frame, renamed the column names of the data frame. By eliminating unnecessary columns, made a new data frame for analysis. Extracted data contains only 18 columns after optimizing. Checking for the null values. Data exploration. Finded the correlation between the columns of data frame. Plotted the heat map. From the heat map we can say that light color have value of 1, which represent the strong positive correlation, and negative represent the dark colors. Plotted histogram for different columns of data frame. Terrorist activities in each region through area plot. Plot representing the terrorist activities by region in each year. From this plot we can say that South Asia, Australasia and Southeast Asia have large number of terrorist activities. Counting terrorist activities each year through count plot. Plot representing the number of terrorist activities each year. From this plot we can say that from 1970 to 2017, terrorist activities are increasing gradually. From this we can say that 2014 and 2015 had large number of terrorist activities. Calculating the percentage of attacks that has happened since 1970 to 2017. 651 attacks happened in 1970, 10,900 attacks happened in 2017. Total number of attacks from 1970 has increased by 94% till 2017. Different types of attacks. Plot representing the method of attacks. From this plot we can say that bombing and explosion attacks are most commonly used by terrorists and hijacking is leastly used. Different types of targets. Plot representing the different types of targets. From this plot we can say that private citizens and property are targeted widely by terrorists when compared to other people. Count of terrorists attacks in each year, country and region. From this plot we can say that count of terrorist attacks is more in Iraq, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and it is more in Middle East and North Africa regions. Count of attacks in each country. Country that suffered maximum and minimum attacks. Iraq have suffered the maximum number of terror attacks of 24,636. Andorra has suffered the minimum number of terror attacks of 1. Finding out the terrorist organizations that have carried out the operation in different country. Most active terrorist organizations represented by this plot we can see here. Analyzing before and after war. Plots representing change in regions per year before war and after declaration of war on terror 2001 to 2017. From the above analysis we can conclude that country with highest terrorist attacks is Iraq. Regions with highest terrorist attacks Middle East and North Africa. Maximum people killed in an attack here are 1570 that took place in Iraq. Final conclusions. The world security is degrading into much lower levels in the recent times. The main method is terrorist attacks is explosive and arms. Mostly we cannot find a terror attack free country. Prime targets for terror attacks are government and military. Terrorist groups are choosing sleeper cells as a main weapon for attacking. Mostly unknown groups are killing most of the people. Mostly any terror attacks having a most successful success rate. Thank you.